What's up, everybody, and welcome to Go Gadget. Today we're unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue 120 gigabyte variant. Let's lift this up, peel this plastic. Ooh. Beautiful frost finish on the back, squared off edges, and already can see smudges and fingerprints all over. I know I'm gonna be rocking a case on this bad boy. So let's put it to the side and check what's in the box. We have the Lightning to USB-C cable. We got SIM ejection tool. We got instructions and your Apple stickers. As you guys already know, Apple didn't include a charger in the box. They said they need to cut down on e-waste. So let's turn this bad boy on. In the front, we have a 6.7 inch Super Retina XDR display. On the back, we got a triple camera lens setup, a wide and ultra wide, and a 2.5 times zoom lens. You have our power button, lightning port, speaker, volume rockers, and your silent switch. So let me set it up, this baby out, and I'll be back. So we're back. I forgot to mention that the Pro Max has a bigger sensor than the regular iPhone Pro. Supposedly it's a 47% bigger sensor, and it should get 87% more light, which means better low light videos and better low light photos. This one is rocking Apple's latest A14 Bionic chip, which is supposed to be the fastest chip on any smartphone. It's a 5 nanometer chip, which is very power efficient. And this phone should get at least the same amount of screen on time as the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're gonna have to test it out to find out. Now let's talk about the size. This is a huge phone, a big foot of a phone. But I like big phones. The bigger the screen, the better. Better for movies, better for YouTube. Now let's compare it to my current daily driver, my LG V60, which is another huge phone. This is rocking a 6.8 inch display. And as you can see, the LG, it's a little bit taller. But the same amount of thickness. And about, I think the LG is a little bit more wider. But like I've been telling you, I'm a big phone kind of guy, and I love the size. Some people might find this phone a little bit big for them. So there you go, guys. This was my unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.